Hi there, welcome back to a new video. So this is a 2001 Honda Odyssey. So I just replaced the hub wheel bearing for the rear. So at this side I'm going to show you guys the socket I use. So it's a 36mm socket to use to remove the bolt, the nut from the hub. You can see right there, you can get it at auto zone. So I have two of them, a long one and a short one. It's a 36. It's OEM tools, so you can get it in auto zone also. That's it right there, guys. This is the old one, old wheel bearing, making a lot of noise. I remove the studs from it because I can use them in another wheel. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.